Hi, I'm Kristin Duncan with the Duncan Team with Keller Williams Advantage Realty in Orlando, Florida. And I want to provide this real estate market update today because things are changing. We haven't said that in a while. Prices have been going up for so long. Demand has been going up for so long. We are seeing changes and this market is shifting. Let's talk about inventory first. Inventory is increasing. So I think sellers, homeowners are starting to understand that these huge price jumps are probably not going to be coming for a while, a long time. We're expecting prices to kind of hold steady. So we are seeing more houses come on the market because homeowners want to take advantage of these, of the high prices that are happening right now. We saw a 41% jump in inventory between May and June of this year. That's about 1,500 more homes on the market. A balanced market has about 6 months worth of inventory. Right now, we are at 1 month, which is less, which still means we're in a seller's market. It's less than we want to see. However, this is the first time we've had 1 month inventory in over a year, about a year and a half. So we were moving in the direction that more homes were coming on the market. We kind of pulled back and now we are seeing big jumps in the number of homes on the market. As I mentioned before, right now, prices are kind of holding steady because that demand is still there. But for buyers, the interest rates have jumped up quite a bit. So for example, a buyer that could afford a $500,000 home at a 3.5%, 4% interest rate saw interest rates peak around 6% in June. So they're now able to afford a $350,000 home. So right now those prices are holding firm, but you can see how things could be changing if these interest rates stay where they are. And you've heard me say this a bunch, I'm going to say it again. These are not crazy high interest rates. In the 80s, interest rates were 15, 18%. We've seen 10 and 12% over the years. The historic average in Florida is 8, 9%. So we are still well below what the average interest rate is. But, we need to be aware that they are creeping up, which affects buyer affordability. Just some things that I'm seeing with our listings and with our buyers, we're seeing fewer multiple offer situations. If it's a nice house, the demand is still there, but we were having houses where there were 30, 25 plus offers. That has calmed down a bit. We're more likely to see 3 to 6 offers, maybe under 10 offers on houses before we saw, 20 plus, 30 plus offers. So still a seller's market right now. But you can see it starting to calm down a little bit. We're seeing fewer things in contracts where buyers are really just trying everything they can to get the house. We're seeing fewer people offer to pay over appraisal value. We're seeing fewer people waive inspection contingencies or financing contingencies. So again, this isn't a bad thing. It's just kind of cooling off a little bit is what we're seeing in Orlando, Florida. The vacation market, Airbnbs in the Disney area, those are still active, and we've actually seen a little bump in foreign investors. So that market has not calmed down quite as much. Again, you're seeing some signs, but the foreign investors are still very active in that area. So I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions about the market or are thinking about making a move, please feel free to reach out.